Folding pull saw, unveiling a smart solution for easy storage and portability. Ever wondered about patenting a saw? Well, the innovators behind this folding pull saw did. They've come up with a unique handle design that doubles as a sheath for the blade. This clever innovation allows the saw's length to shift from 60 centimeters to a compact 33.5 centimeters, making it a breeze to store and carry with just one hand. With 17 teeth per 2.5 centimeters on one side and 7 to 10 teeth on the other, this saw offers versatility for various cutting needs. Weighing approximately 450 grams, it makes even long projects feel lighter on your hands, and all of this comes with a price tag of just $29.